Hi and hello there, collective. My name is and welcome new subscribers. Returning Eastern buyers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung di niyo pa alam para other channel, link kayo nandiyan sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para kayo mapunta doon at araw-araw nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs. There, at yun nga, wala tayong gender dito, mga mahal, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yarn kasi general reading ito. At the end of the day, everybody, you've got your free will with you, no? Na pwede niyong gamitin like it's up to you if you want to claim the messages and gawin itong guidance or not. So here ang ating concept, no? Curious ka ba? You wanna know? Mahal ka ba talaga niya, no? Ikaw ba talaga ang nasa puso niya or dinadaya ka lang ng iyong mind or heart, Tinitrick ka lang ba ng iyong mind or heart, no? So, yeah. Isa yan mga babes 'no, sa ating aalamin 'no, na kasagutan ngayon. So just take only what resonates guys. If you have someone on your mind, you can visualize his or her face right now. Or you can just concentrate 'no, dito sa person na 'to while I'm doing the shuffling. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Angel guides, can we get messages right here for this concern of collective? Mahal ba talaga si collective ng taong ito? Or si collective ba ay dinadaya lamang ng kanyang puso at isipan? Ano nga ba ang truth about this? Archangel Michael, thank you so much, Angel Guides, sa pagiging present ninyo as always sa reading ni collective. Is this person here loves collective? What's the truth behind? Okay, let's go. We've got the Ten of Wands. Present in here, Seven of Coins. Seven of Cups. Four of Coins. Ace of Cups. Hierophant. Ace of Swords. Magician. Eight of Wands. Ooh, Major Arcanas. Okay. Knight of Swords. Hermit, ang daming Major Arcanas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely, bottom of the deck, King of Cups. Walang duda. Okay? This person loves you. This person loves you so dearly sa kanyang heart. This person nasa isip niya ngayon napuntahan ka, nasa isip niya ngayon natawagan ka, nasa isip niya ngayon na-chat ka. This person right in here, if there's a third party situation, no, at kung kayo ay nagtatanong kung sinong mas mahal niya, ikaw ba or yung third party, hindi kailangan magtanong. Wala ditong dapat itanong dahil hindi ko nakikita na sa kanyang puso ay kakumpetensya mo pa ang third party dahil wala nang ganong klase ng feelings at hindi yun tunay na pagmamahal. Ang totoong mahal niya rito ay walang iba kundi ikaw. I want to go back home with you, Ten of Wands energy. I want us to share yung ating time here on earth ng magkasama. I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And if there's no third party right in here, but you're just confused kung mahal ka ba ng isang person, no? Yeah. If you are not in a third party situation naman, okay, pero hindi mo alam kung mahal ka ba ng taong ito or hindi, or feeling mo lang ba yon or nabo-vibe mo lang ba yon, then definitely mahal ka niya. Okay? This person here really do not know how to express it. Seven of Cups energy, no? Because this person right in here is someone, no, na nagiging very cautious sa kanyang mga sinasagot, nire-reply sa inyo, no? Sa mga actions niya dito. Why? Because simple lang, he or she do not know how to express yung love. But this person is someone who can definitely offer you a lot of love. With the King of Cups, I do see that this person here is someone na nakikita natin dito, no, that this is, maybe this is not an NBSB or no boyfriend since birth or no girlfriend since birth. Hindi naman ganon. But definitely, this is someone right in here, no, na ito yung unang pagkakataong nakaramdam siya ng ganitong pakiramdam. Okay? Four of Coins energy. And ngayon niya lang naramdaman yung ganyang klase ng pagmamahal sa inyo. That's why this person here is also thinking, nararapat ba ako para kay collective? Because collective is parang too good for me. Ganong klase ng energy siya. So parang hindi niya alam kung deserve ka ba niya. So definitely this person right in here is someone who thinks highly of you. This person respects you a lot. And I do see that this person here do not know talaga yung gagawin niya dito, but this person here loves you. Kaya ka siguro naguguluhan 'no? Kasi parang nagpapakita siya rito ng feelings for you, but this person here is being cautious. So, parang hindi mo alam kung ano yung sagot, but yeah, yun pala yun. Hindi niya kasi alam kung paano niya i-express ito sa'yo, and this person here thinks 'no, na you're too good daw para sa kanya. So, this person here is someone na iniisip niya dito, deserve niya ba talaga yung someone like you? Yeah. Alam mo ang kailangan lang dito, heart-to-heart conversation because you love this person here, eh. Kasi iniisip niya dito 'no, na masyado kang maganda for him or her, or masyado kang good for him or her 'no, in all areas. So, I do see na kapag sa'yo mismo nanggaling 'pag pinaintindi mo sa kanya 'no, na itong mga bagay na 'to 'no, is, hindi totoo 'no, or parang, um, mahal mo siya 'no, if ever na magkaroon ng heart-to-heart talk sa inyo, maiintindihan niya. Mas lalakas yung kanya ritong kumpiyansa sa sarili, and at the same time, mas wala na rin ditong pagho-hold back 'no, to express his or her feelings for you 101%, na. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, I do see that this person right here also loves you. Definitely, King of Cups energy answered it all. And nakita natin dito 'no, that definitely this person here wants this fresh love 'no, na magkaroon kayong dalawa. If this is a new person right in here but you do not know if he or she loves you, but if this is your ex and there's a third party situation 'no, you're not competing with the third party. There's no third party into this person's heart. Wala kang karabal sa puso niya dahil una sa lahat hindi love yung naramdaman niya with the third party, if there's a third party interference right in here way back then, ne. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this is someone right in here, nakikita ko rito 'no, actions, Eight of Wands, Knight of Swords 'no, these are, two of the fastest energies in the tarot. So, definitely this person here wants new beginning with you guys because there's a lot of major realizations, and this person here wants to create big changes, transformations in your connection. Okay, if this is a new connection but nahihiya because masyadong mataas yung tingin niya sa inyo, mga mahal, no, na hindi niya raw kayo deserve, no. Wow, but this person here is someone who can give you lots of love. Okay, a love like no other. And if this is your ex right in here, no, definitely this person here will admit na nagkasala siya sa inyo. This person here learned his or her mistake, no? At nakita natin dito, no, na kung ang tanong ninyo is mas mahal niya ba kayo kaysa sa third party, walang ganong tanong na, no? Kasi hindi naman niya minahal talaga yung third party, no? As per my cards, no, are telling me, no? By the sagot ng mga spirits and angel guides ninyo 'no, and this person here, kayo yung nakita ko 'no, in this person's heart, inside this person's heart. Okay. Kaya kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, Hierophant energy 'no, pakakaingatan niya na rito 'no, yung inyo rito 'no, na puso 'no, at pag-ibig na gusto niya magsimula kayong muli 'no. So, may energy rito 'no, na sana siya ay iyo ritong patawarin 'no, at muling buksan ang iyo ritong puso at mundo para sa kanya at aking gagawin ang lahat upang mapakita at mapatunayan sa'yo na ako ay talagang nagbago para sa'yo, 'yan 'no. Para muling maranasan ang pag-ibig na ganitong klase daw, babe, 'no. So, this person here, isa sa mga major realizations niya rito 'no, yung love like no other 'no, na puwedeng sa iba hindi niya talaga yun nakita at natagpuan. Well, okay. Of course, unique ang pagmamahal na ipinakita mo sa kanya, sadyang kakaiba, 'no? At kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this person here is praying. Alam mo yung kung Catholic siya, magsa-sign of the cross muna ito 'no, bago ka niya kausapin, gano'n katindi yung kaba niya, mga mahal 'no, okay. Para, ah, ituloy 'no, itong paggawa ng actions dito. This person here loves you. Una pa lang lumbas na. 'No? Alam niyo mga mahal 'no, kapagka nanonood kayo ng energy and tarot readings, lahat ng mensahe importante, 'no? Pero pinakaimportante sa lahat ay yung bottom of the deck, okey? The bottom of the deck signifies King of Cups energy, which means this person here loves you, only you. Yeah. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to, I do see that this person here is now, in this energy na pahahalagahan niya na ang lahat ng mga moments 'no, at hindi niya kayo rito sasaktan, okay. Hindi na gagawa ng kahit na anong paraan upang kayo ay maging malungkot at umiyak, you know. At kung ito man ay bagong ka-connect ngunit hindi mo alam kung siya ba ay minamahal ka rito or hindi, ngunit nagpapakita ng mga senyales na gusto niya kayo, definitely yun nga yung sagot 'no, mahal kayo ng taong ito 'no, and look forward sa mga susunod niya ritong possible actions. Pero dahil medyo masyadong weak yung energy niya 'no, at iniisip niya rito 'no, na hindi kayo nababagay para sa kanya 'no, gayunpaman 'no, universe ay binibigyan kayo rito ng advice 'no, why not have a heart-to-heart talk with this person 'no. You might not tell it directly na parang, 'wag mo sabihin sa kanya 'no na alam mo na mahal ka niya 'no. Parang magpahaging ka 'no, na parang magbigay ka ng advice na parang, "Alam mo kung ako, magmamahal ako ng isang person, gusto ko yung ganitong klase." Tapos i-describe mo siya. Okey lang sa'kin yung ganito, 'yan 'no. Mag-gano'n ka mga mahal 'no, and then this person here will have this clearer, vision 'no. Mababago rito yung kanya ritong perception about this connection, and, hindi na siya rito mahihiya at tataas ang kanya ritong confidence at kumpiyansa 'no, na i-push ang inyong connection here. See, it's like itutulak mo siya rito 'no, ng very, very light 'no, papunta sa'yo or para kumilos dito, 'di ba? So yeah, for the initials right in here, meron din tayong mga numbers, okay, pero unahin na natin initials. Andito letter H, we also have here the letter K. Andito rin ang letter L, we also have here the letter Q. Andito rin ang letter D, we also have here the letter I. We also have here the letter A. And last but not the least, we have here the letter B as in boy. So yeah, for the numbers, yes, we do have, yes, with S, no numbers tayo dito, no? We've got number 7, which is spiritual number right in here. Now, the universe is now interfering into this type of connection. No, they're pushing this person here palapit sa inyo, mga mahal. And they're telling you that the messages right in here reveal the truth of this person's feelings and emotions. That this person here is loving you right at this very moment you are inside this person's heart. no? And also aside from number 7, we also have here the number 4. Number 4 stands about marriage, family, and home. So definitely this person here wants to build a stronger foundation, stronger legacy in your connection. And with that number 4, this person here, kaya nakikita ko dito, will be in full support sa inyo, no? Up until the end talaga. And aside from number 4, we also have here the number 5, which is the spiritual number of change. So, expect some kind of change, transformations, no? Na makikita mo dito, siya talaga yung gagawa rito ng mga pagbabago, no? Na makatutulong upang mas tumibay at mas tumibay at mas lumalim ang inyo ritong connection at pagmamahal sa isa't isa, no? Definitely, in other words, if this is your ex, hindi masasayang yung pagkakataong ibibigay mo sa kanya. And if this is a new person right in here na hindi mo alam kung mahal ka niya or whatsoever, definitely, hindi siya naniniwala sa second chance. So, iingatan niya talaga ang pagmamahal mo. Dahil for him or her, no, pag nabigyan ng chance, kailangan ingatan na ito 103%. Wow! So yeah, these are all the messages I've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much again, Miriana, on me. Sarangil, love and light. 안녕.